Hi, here's what I need to do is I need to show you, I'm in the Visual Studio Code, and I'd like to show you how, instead of opening up a browser, clicking on the HTML file that every time we code, you have to go to File, Windows Explorer, you open it back up, go through the file, and go through several layers of that. Well, you can access the HTML file through the browser directly. So here's my file structure. I hope your file structure looks like this. The only file that's up at this point right now is the index. All the files that we have are inside the dates with it, and there's no HTML file. The only file is out here, floating out here, is the index page. So I'm just going to use that as an example. So if I want to right mouse click and come down, and I could see that open in default browser. If I click on it, it just loads whatever page that, what that index page happens to be in right now with it. So the way how you need to do this is if you go to the extension, click on the extension, and in the extension, if you can type in this exact word, open in browser, and it should come up open in browser 2.0.0 is the latest one from TechER. You can see I already installed it already. I've been using it for a while. Seems to be a pretty good extension with it. If you have it, you can click on install, reload it again, and it should be able for you to access it. And then come back to your Explorer side of this, and you can right mouse click on it, come down and open your default browser or other browser that you're using with as well. Okay, so this is how from this point on, if you can please use Visual Studio Code, and you can access this particular page or any page. Let's say I'm accessing a page that I'm going to talk to you about today in this next video, is this HTML page that I want to show you. And we're going to actually open it in a browser. So it looks kind of like this as the final layout for it. Okay, so given that, I will transition to this next exercise we're about to do. Thank you.